first thing I'm going to try is the Beaver Nuggets. So Buc-ee's Beaver Nuggets. I think it's a caramel coated like popcorn. Definitely like these. I would rate these an 8 out of 10. They remind me of something. I just can't think of what that something is. And then we have some pecans. These are hot glazed pecans. Definitely would recommend. 9 out of 10. The next thing is the paddle tail. It's like a cinnamon bun. Look at that. Let's try it. Nice and crisp. Fresh, crisp, sweet, soft in the inside. Really good. Yes. I would give this a 9 out of 10. As you can see, I'm still grabbing for it. Definitely a 9 out of 10. Now the next thing that I have, this is a Mississippi mud cake. Hold 1 second. Mississippi mud cake. Oh my goodness. This is moist. Keep in mind, I'm not really a sweets person, but this is delicious. Oh my goodness. This is a 10 out of 10. Next up, I have the kettle cooked potato chips. This is the bold and blended. And somebody recommended these kettle chips along with the candied jalapeno cream cheese dip. So we're going to try that. What it tastes like. Sweet and spicy. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm going to try the brisket burrito. It's okay. The brisket burrito, I would probably rate that a 6 out of 10. Steak and cheese burrito. Let's see. Now that is good. Steak, onions, peppers, cheese. I would probably say this is a 9 out of 10. Or maybe a 9.5 out of 10. Good. This is the sandwich everybody recommends. This is the chopped brisket sandwich. That chopped brisket, That is definitely a 10 out of 10. Chopped brisket from Buc-ee's. 10 out of 10. Definitely coming back to this. Melt. This has ham, turkey, bacon, and a special sauce. Well, let's taste it. 10, I would probably give it a 6. That concludes my tasting of all of the items that I got from Buc-ee's. I must say that the chopped brisket sandwich is my favorite. And then the Philly steak would be my next favorite. The burrito, okay. This club, it's okay. But I don't have to have those two again. Now, would I drive 2 hours again to go to Buc-ee's? Just to go to Buc-ee's, probably not. But, well, let me go back. I probably wouldn't drive 2 hours to go to Buc-ee's on the weekend because Buc-ee's was crazy. Trying to find somewhere to park out of this world. We were able to pull right up to the gas station without any problem. Going in and trying to find like the brisket sandwiches, you've got people just standing all around. There's no order, so you don't know if there's a line or what exactly is going on. I ended up, looking around and figuring out that people were just there watching the brisket be fixed and the different things that were going on, waiting for the call for the fresh brisket. So I was able to maneuver myself up to get the brisket. I got my husband some actual sliced brisket. That's phenomenal. And then I got my chopped brisket, and I didn't have any problem getting this club thing. The burrito was actually over in a different section along with this Philly steak. It was a little bit of a line to get the Philly steak. Excuse me. The other items, I actually had to maneuver through crowds to try to find those items, but everything is delicious. It's nothing that I would say is going straight to the trash. So yes, I would go back to Buc-ee's, but I probably would wait until make the trip during Monday through Friday. So this concludes my Buc-ee taste test. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely tell me in the comments if you would take a 2-hour drive to go to Buc-ee's. I'll see you in the next one.